Hello everybody, welcome to Net Physics by Arun video channel. After a small break of about 1 month, we are starting our second round today. Okay. In the last round, we have discussed at about 147 questions from both English medium and Tamil medium in our video channel with 7 questions in each of the 21 chapters. Okay, that's it. Now in the second round, we are going to discuss 6 questions both in English medium and Tamil medium in a week. That means for a chapter. Okay, so 6 questions in a chapter. So you will cover all the 21 chapters in the second round also. Okay, let us begin with the first chapter in class 11 physics, nature of physical world and measure. Nature of physical world and measure. Let us get into the question. The question is, a student measured the diameter of a small steel ball using a screw gauge of least count 0.001 centimeter. Okay, the main scale reading is 5 mm, rather to say pitch scale reading, and 0 of circular scale division coincides with 25 divisions above the reference level. If screw gauge has a zero error of minus 0.004 centimeter, the correct diameter of the ball is, you are given 4 options. Number 1, 0.529 centimeter, 0.521 centimeter, and 0.053 centimeter, and 0.523 centimeter. Okay, this question has been asked in the NEET examination in the year 2018. Okay, that's all. We know that the correct diameter of the ball is given by the equation total reading minus 0. You can also say total reading plus 0 correction, another to say total reading minus 0 error, because the formula for 0 correction is ZC is equal to minus ZT. That you know very well. Okay, so the formula for total reading is equal to MSR plus CSR into LC. MSR is the main scale reading. At times it is also called pitch scale reading. Okay, this is 5 millimeter, but the answer here given is in centimeter. So this 5 millimeter is converted into 0.5 centimeter. Okay, then least count. So least count is equal to 0.001 centimeter. What is CSR? Circular scale reading. Sometimes it is also called as head scale reading. Whatever it may be, its value is 25 divisions. 25 divisions. That has been given. Now, total reading is equal to MSR plus CSR into LC. You can substitute the value. 0.5 centimeter plus 25 is CSR reading. Yeah, circular scale reading. 25 into this count is 0.001. That means what? 0.5 plus the perikana 0.025. That is equal to 0.525. If you add these two values, 0.525. What is the 0 error? That has been given as minus 0.004 centimeter. So the correct diameter of the ball, in the previous slide, it has been given that total reading minus ZT. What is total reading? 0.525 minus. See what is 0 error? Minus 0.004. So minus of minus plus. It means what? 0.525 plus 0.004. That is equal to 0.529 centimeter. So the correct diameter of the ball is 0.529 centimeter. Option 1 is the right answer. We will see one more question in this chapter. Nature of physical world and measurement chapter in our next video. Till then, thank you one and all. Already I told you that we will discuss 6 questions from each chapter in this round. Okay. So till then, thank you one and all. Okay.